Okay, I'm at Benson Downs, and this video is for our final trip out here to do the asphalt. Wepler, Garrison, and myself and the Gate company, we all got out here and looked at what asphalt we need to remove in order to get the sensors put in. So some adjustments are being made from the contract as far as what remaining square footage we have of asphalt to use, and we're going to focus on using that remaining asphalt on the contract right up here at the gate. We spoke to Elise in the office about it this morning, and then we walked out here with the gate guy. So I'm going to give some dimensions here and talk about what we're doing. So we're basically cutting out asphalt where the sensors are going to go back in. The company's going to be here with us. We're going to work with the Gate company to get the asphalt removed. He's going to put some pre-cut sensors in, and then we're going to bury it. We're going to work on the exit side first, getting it removed so he can put the sensors in, and then switch over to the entrance side and get that done. All right, so I'm going to go with this first measurement here, and this is right as you come into the entrance gate. This is where the first sensor is at. So we are going to remove, hold on, sorry, malfunctions. Okay, so we've got an 8 approximately. Okay, so this one's an 8x16 as you come into the gate. We want to go all the way to there. We got it marked in chalk or keel. So 8x16. And then on this side, it's going to be pretty much the same. We're going 8. It'll be a little bit longer. This one's going to be 8 foot by 19. So 8 by 19 on this one. 8 by 19 at the entrance. All right, then you've got a sensor that's right here in the center. Okay, so we got a sensor that's here. We have a sensor that's there. We've got a sensor that's right on the inside of the gate, and then we got one over there. So I'm going to get these measurements for you too. My old patches, they're pretty much going to go away. We're not going to focus on those right now. We're going to focus on these. So from this point right here, right at the seam, we're going to come up. That's 17 feet from there to there. We're going to wrap around and then go in that direction there too. So I'll have it marked on a map so we can kind of see the shape of this thing. But that's going to be 17 by, let's see here. Oops. Boy, this wheel is horrible. It doesn't even work. Okay. So from down there, it's 17, and then we only have to go out far enough to get this sensor. So it's going to be a 17 by 5 from there. And then from here, you've got a wire that goes all the way over. So this doesn't have to be very big. Only has to be wide enough for some half-inch conduit to go through. So from this patch right here, it's going to be 2 foot and straight over to this box. So that's a 2x21. Okay, then we're going to have something similar here where, you know, we've cut in for the conduit to go to that sensor. So I just gave you 2x21. And then we're going to have another 2 foot from this location here. And you can see we're going to go 2 foot and all the way up here to the island approximately. That's 2x22. So if you were to draw a line straight across from this walk-in gate, it'd be a 2x22 from the box down there up to this sensor. Then you've got this sensor right here. Okay, this is going to have to be a 6 foot because there's the sensor right here. So we're gonna cut a foot on each side because these sensors are 4x8. Okay, so this is gonna end up being a little bit bigger. We marked it all the way out to here. So yeah, it's 6 foot. Sorry. Let this truck go by. 6 foot by, and we're going all the way over here, all the way over to the curb. So 6x17. 6x17. To get that, there'll be a little bit of asphalt to remove right there, which is like another 2x5. So then you got a 2x5 foot piece right there. Those are the dimensions for everything that's on the outside of the gate. Okay, now on the inside of the gate, we've got a sensor that's right here. So as you leave this section here, there's a sensor right here. We're gonna cut out approximately, so you're looking at a 32x33. That covers this whole area right here because there's a sensor right here as you exit. Then you got sensors over there, but we had to take it all the way out. So from the curbing up, we're gonna go from that corner there. It comes all the way over so far and it angles over. I'll draw it in, but it's roughly about that dimension. And then what we end up doing is in this big patch here, we'll end up having it open so he can run the conduit over to this box in this location. So that covers that. So those are all, oh, there's one more. Actually, I covered this one over here. So we're good there. So I'm gonna add up these dimensions and we are going to subtract that from a couple of the other patches that we had. We're not gonna be able to do the long patch that's over there anymore. We're not gonna be able to do some of these smaller patches that we had up there because we're focusing on using all that square footage right here at the gate area. And then down at the far end, the back of the property, we're not doing those repairs either. Okay, so that should do it for now. Those are the dimensions. I'll have it drawn up on a map and we can calculate the difference here. So that way we can stay within contract.